guys, I will be making chapati. Thanks to Congrats Mom from Kenya. Big up yourself. You taught me how to make chapati, and I'm gonna show you how I put my own spin on this chapati. So guys, here we go. So this is not how the Kenyans them go about it, but guys, I'm trying to eat healthy nowadays, so I'm incorporating some veg into mine. So over here I have some green peppers with a little bit of spinach, red peppers, some onions, and that's it, guys. Because you know, cooking is all about creativity. So that's what I'm trying to do. And I'm also gonna put some of my Jamaican curry powder in it, just to give it a little, yellow color. I have my flour here that I need to, put on my rolling board. And what else? Some salt. And guys, today we will be using hot water. Hot water to knead the flour. So like I said, guys, I'm just following what Congrats Mom and Uncle Mo, Congrats Mom, Uncle Mo, and other Kenyans. I watch their channel, and now I'm trying to make my own chapati with my different spin. So guys, it's the same concept, different spin. So let's go, guys. So my bowl is over here, and I'm just gonna put my flour in, about 3 cups. I'm gonna put like 1.5 teaspoons of salt. My veg. So what I did with my spinach, it's pre-cooked, and I kind of squeeze out the water out of it, because spinach has a lot of water. And then I have my peppers here that I cut up in small pieces. So this is not the original way, guys. Like I said, I'm putting my own spin on it. A little bit of my curry powder for color. Not too much. Some cooking oil. About a tablespoon. And now with clean hands, I will incorporate this. So this reminds me of, a dish we have in Jamaica. We call it baked flour or flapjack. It's the same ingredients: salt, flour, and baking powder. But with the chapati, we have like the cooking oil, salt, flour. That's it. So, it's similar. I'm gonna put a little bit more salt in this. So now with my hot water, I'm gonna start the mixing process. So you want to pour this gradually, guys. So in comparison to the Jamaican flapjack or the baked flour, we use cold water, but in the chapati is the reverse, hot water. I can see my spinach coming through in my mixture and my red peppers, just giving it a little pop. And this is really coming along. I like the look. So let's put some more water. See, started getting a little sticky. which is okay according to the Kenyans. That's what you are looking for. So later on, the oil will help you with all the stickiness. So don't worry about it looking like this, guys. See the spinach is coming through and the red pepper. So guys, look how beautiful this is looking. Look at it. See? The spinach is all there. The red pepper is there. And I like the look of this. So let's continue with the kneading to get our dough together. Let me just clean my hands. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to pour a little bit of oil to get it to a nice smooth feel. So you see guys, the oil get rid of all the stickiness, and now it's smooth and easy to roll. So now we can get it into a little ball. So look at it. Thanks to the oil that I poured at the end, you see, no more sticking to the fingers. So look at it, guys. Nice little flour dough. I'm gonna set this aside for at least 10 minutes. So look at it, guys. My dough been sitting here for a good 10 minutes. And now I'm getting ready to roll my dough. So first of all, I'm gonna put some flour on my rolling board. So you want to do this, guys, to prevent sticking. Also gonna put some on my pin. So this dough, I think I'm gonna make like 4 chapatis out of this dough. Yes. So I want to make 4 chapatis. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I need to smooth it out like this, make it into a nice little ball shape. And as you can see, look at my red pepper coming through and my spinach. Nice color combination. How am I doing so far? Congrats, Mom, Uncle Mo, David Jr., and my fellow Kenyans. Let me know how I'm doing. How do you like the veg incorporation? Remember, guys, cooking is all about creativity. Kind of put some flour on my rolling pin and my rolling board here, just to prevent sticking. So now I'm taking my first little chapati dough and I will start rolling. So look how beautiful this is. First of all, guys, look how beautiful this is. My spinach is popping through and my red pepper. And now I'm rolling. So what you want to do, you want to start rolling from the middle like this. And you're going to roll out. So roll out your dough, guys, because we gonna, this is like the first step, first of all. So you gotta roll out the dough so that you can go to the next step. So now I'm satisfied. So what I will do now, I'll take my end of the dough right here and I'm gonna roll it like this. So I'm gonna continue rolling until I reach the end. Just like that. And now you can do some stretching, guys, because we want to stretch it out as far as we can. Give it a stretch. I'm not an expert, so, you know, I don't want to break it. So here we go, guys. So now that we have that, now I'm going to roll it in the other direction. Just like that. So you see, guys, it's looking like a little flower, folded flower. Look at it. Nice design. So now I'm going to just take my finger and kind of press it in like this. And now I will do a second one, and just to show you how I go about it. So first of all, spread it out. Remember to flour your board to prevent sticking. And roll it out. Roll it out. Just like that. Making sure that you're keeping your shape. So now I will do the same I did with my first one. From the end, you're rolling. You're rolling over. And you're rolling over. And we're going to stretch it a little, like we did the first one. Stretch. Stretch it out. Now, I'm going to roll it in the other direction, just like that. This is how you're going to achieve that layer, flaky design. So here you go, guys. Look at it. So this is the next one, just like we did the first one. Press it in. And then we are going to our third step. So I will continue with my next two, and I will see you in a few. So now I'm going to add some flour to my first dough. My pot is on my stove at medium. So now I will add some flour to both sides and roll. So let's get that one out the way. So once again, let's put a little more flour here. I'm just going to start in my middle of this nice little shape and roll out. So guys, we want to keep our nice round shape. So we roll in from the middle outwards. So as you can see, nice shape going on here. And there you go. It is as easy as that. So I'm just gonna flip it over. So I'm a little slow on this, guys. Remember, I'm not an expert. This is my first time making chapati. But I think I did a good job. Look at it. Guys, turn your attention over here to my pot. It's all heated. And now I'm ready to put my first chapati. Here we go, guys. So according to the Kenyans, no oil should be in the pot at this point. So here we go. My chapati is in. While that is cooking, I'm gonna roll out the next chapati. So guys, let's turn our first chapati. So as you can see, guys, it has that nice spinachy look. A pop of green coming through. Now, so guys, I have some oil here, and now I'm gonna just put a little on the surface of this one that is already done on the side. So you see, guys, you do not put your oil in the pot in the beginning. This is the time that you kind of base with the oil. So now I'm gonna flip once more like that, and you want to just twirl it around like this in your pot. And now you're ready to put some more oil on this surface over here. So you know, everyone has their own techniques of doing things. You can even use your hands. Keep turning. Guys, this is pretty hot. Poop. This is hot. I can't do this. I gotta get me a spoon or something. Because I saw Congrats Mom was just pretty much using her hands and just be doing that. I think I need a spoon or something. Whew. So guys, we're about to finish with our first chapati. So I'm going to flip again, because I need that nice little brown color to it. nice and round and smooth. With once more. So the idea is to keep flipping. And you want to turn it periodically. So let this brown up a little, guys. Let's just brown it up a little. Let's catch that color, that nice brown color that we're looking for. See, as you can see, it's coming in. So guys, this is my first one. It's my first chapati. Look. Ah. Whoop. So now I'm getting ready for my next one, which is right here. In it goes. So guys, we're gonna continue with the rest of my chapati, and I will see you in a few. As you can see, guys, this is my second chapati, and look how brown and nice the color is with that pop of green. And we are doing good so far. So guys, my chapati is all done, guys. Take a look. Look at this vibrant color, guys, and it's because of the spinach. Like I said earlier, I added some spinach because I like to eat vegetables, and this is the outcome. Spinach and some red and green peppers, or some onions. So Kenyans, what are you saying? How I did? Congrats, Mom, Uncle Mo, my fellow Kenyans, David Jr. Tell me, comment down below. My name is Son, guys. Those of you that already subscribed to my channel, thanks a lot. Thanks for staying with me. I appreciate it. And those of you that are new here, my name is Son. Hey, Son. And this is my result, guys, of my chapati. First time making this dish. So now I'm gonna just break into one to show you the outcome. So here we go, guys. Got my chapati. You see, my spinach is popping through. Let's see if I get my layers. And as you can see, my layers are there. My layers are there. This one is very hot, see? This is giving me beef patty vibes, guys. The crust of the beef patty. It has this doughy texture to it, just like a boiled dumpling. Because remember, guys, there is no baking powder in this. It's just strictly the flour, salt, and some oil, and the spinach. So it has that dumpling taste to it. And that's it, guys. It's nice to try new things, new recipe, and I learned something just by watching, you know, the Kenyans making this dish. Reminds me of our Jamaica. Reminds me of our Jamaican baked flour. It's just a different spin.